When I started singing, I was in a group called Outstanding when I was a teenager. And one of my friends in the group, he gave me the stage name Keisha. You know, I tried on Keisha for a while, for maybe even like a couple of years. After a while, it just didn't feel right. It didn't feel like it was me. You know, I felt like I was wearing somebody else's clothes. Over time, I realized that I already had my stage name, which was my name. It was easy to pronounce regardless of where you are from, you know. And I decided to stick with Simi, and, you know, it felt perfect.
So everyone wants a cool stage name like Simi, but not every name rolls off the tongue as easily.
Most people call me K-Pepe. I'm a musician.
Hi, I'm Quest.
I am Dario. I'm 20 years of age.
My stage name is J Ultra B.
Hi, my name is Famous. I'm 24 years.
Hi, my name is Sandiva. I'm a singer.
Hi, everyone. My name is John Christopher, also known as Johnny Music.
My name is Itoha Mercy Ayoma IT.
My name is George Chimere. My stage name is George Black.
Hi, my name is Queen Beatrice Ibagi.
My name is Michael Bamaboy. I love to be called M Songs.
I am Joseph Dada. I go by the stage name Joseph D.
My name is Shimakman Precious. I'm popularly known as Frank Liski.
What's your name?
My name is China.
China. Where did that come from?
They call me China.
African
too.
China.
It's short for Chinemezu.
What's your name?
Daniel. Or you can call me Uniqueness.
Uniqueness is what they call you.
Yes.
Oh, so that's a nickname. You
Yes.
chose that name.
No, did you choose it or they gave it to you?
I think you chose it.
I chose it.
Okay, you chose it, huh?
Are you unique?
Yeah, I'm unique.